So I thought it really would help pull everything together, and this is gonna be my favorite. Okay, so here is what I have so far for Thanksgiving. I'm kind of really excited about it. I think it looks super cute. I'm loving the pop of teal. And so I got plastic silverware that we can just throw away. There's nothing worse than having a bunch of people over and you dirty up a bunch of plates. Oh, hi, Sadie. Hi, Bibi. Stay away from those. There's nothing worse than just doing a bunch of dishes after you have a bunch of people over, like for Thanksgiving, and you want to spend family time. You don't want to be taking time washing dishes or rinsing dishes. So these are plastic plates, and we're just gonna throw them away. And I thought this little pine cone was such a cute touch. I got it at Michael's. It's actually for Christmas, but hey, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. It came in a little bag. I'll show you. It came in a little bag just like this. So I got 2 of them. So I'm gonna try to put one on each plate and a little napkin underneath so that, you know, no glitter got on the actual plates when people pick them up to use them. They can kind of just like take this off and put it onto the side. And then my other plan is I'm gonna have eucalyptus, actually fake eucalyptus, running down the table. And then I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and I'm gonna buy some real eucalyptus and just stick it in at various points just to have the smell and just, you know, bring it to life a little bit. And then I'm planning to do like a little eucalyptus down the plate as well. I think that will be super cute. And this will not be the linen, but it's close to the color of the linen. The linen's gonna be a little bit more textury and have leaves in it. So it's gonna be super cute. And then this is the napkin, almost so close to the color it's going to be. It's going to be a little darker or lighter. I actually can't remember. It's called a rust. I'm thinking I'm liking it. I was actually thinking, should I change it to black? Should I change it to gray? Should I change it to like more like this color? But looking at it all together, I think I kind of like this. And then this burlap, I'm calling it burlap. It's not really burlap, but it kind of looks like burlap. I actually got it at Michael's as well. And I got it a couple years ago, but it's really just wide ribbon. It is so much cheaper than buying an actual table runner, and you can actually make it the length that you want. So I used these 2 years ago for Thanksgiving. I just cut them to the length that I needed. So it was pretty awesome. So then this year, because I have a little bit of the black and white, I kind of wanted to tie that in. So I got this little, again, really thick ribbon at Michael's and put it underneath just for like a little touch of color. I think I really like it. I didn't know at first, but then I got a couple of battery operated tea lights that you can push on with a button, which I'm so excited about, off Amazon. I also got these little guys off Amazon, 4 of them. Maybe I should have got more, but it'll be fine. I was also gonna mix in like some clear votives as well, so I think it'll be just fine. And then this was actually my mom's, and I'm just gonna polish it up a little bit because, you know, it hasn't been used for a while, but I thought it was cool. And I actually have another one and 2 more of these guys. Oh, Sadie tennis ball. I found these little pumpkins at Home Goods. They came in a little bag, just like the pine cone. Let's see if I can find them. There they are. I was just so excited to find them because I loved that some were smooth, some had texture. It's just like a nice mix of the orange and darker orange colors. So I thought it really would help pull everything together, and this is gonna be my favorite. So these little twinkle lights, these are cool because it looks like a wine cork and you can just turn it on and off. My mother-in-law gave those to me, and thanks, Dina. And then this little bottle, I don't know if you can see, but like, can you see that it has leaves on it? What are you doing? Oh, baby girl. It has leaves on it, and you'll never guess where I found this. This was such a find. I found this at the Dollar Tree, if you can believe it or not. I was actually gonna take actual wine bottle and peel off the labels and then stick this in there with the lights, but I saw these and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so much easier. And it actually has leaves on it and looks super fall-y. So anyways, I thought that was kind of funny. So yeah, this is what I have going so far. Oh, and the chargers. You can of course always get chargers at Michael's. They're not too badly priced. You can always find them on sale, but these ones I'm actually borrowing from my work. As you know, I'm an event manager now, so I have access to lots of really cool things, but most of this stuff is actually mine. I've had this vision in my head for a couple weeks and I've been working on it slowly, and it's just really kind of cool to see it come together. So I can't wait to see what it looks like with the ivy in it. I'm waiting for that to come from Amazon. Should be here later today or tomorrow, but I just wanted to make sure I filmed this and got it out to you in case you wanted some last minute inspiration for your Thanksgiving if you happen to be hosting. Or maybe you're just gonna get like a fun little idea for a hostess gift or something. Like, I feel like this could be a cute little host gift, little decor. Like, not everyone has that just lying around. And I do believe that Dana got these online from Amazon. So check those out. They're super cool and very cute. But if you want to see what the plates are called, this is what they were called. This is the tiny one. And then they also have the big one. But I'll try to link things for you down below. And you kind of just have to, you know, get an idea in your head and just start looking and make it happen. And these were the candles I got, the tall ones from Amazon. super cute. And then these silverware. It actually didn't come with a label, which I thought was funny, but it did. Oh, it did come with these just little glasses with a gold rim, just for, you know, waters or little cups of wine or whatever. If people don't want to use real glass, which I'll have out, of course. I'll make like a little bar area. And then these were the flameless candles. I also got on Amazon. I'm super excited about these, and it comes with a little remote. And then it was suggested that you get batteries. So I was like, you know what, might as well just get them now. And so I did. Let's see what else. In here, another one of these cute little bottles. And of course I have more burlap that I had cut myself. I'm just putting everything in this box and kind of organizing over here. Oh, and these were the, again, there was no label on this either. These were the little teal votives. Came like this, 4 of them. Maybe I should have got 2 packs of these, but I'm gonna mix and match them, so I think it's gonna be just fine. It'll be the perfect hint of color, you know? Oh, and another thing that I might do too, along with the eucalyptus and the real eucalyptus that I'm gonna have going down, I might just see what kind of flowers they have. If they have some white flowers, I think that would be a cute little accent inside. So I don't know, I'm still playing with it, but this is what I got for now. And so hopefully it inspires you or helps you out if you're still trying to think of what you'd like to do for your centerpiece. There's still a few days left, so I hope I help bring some inspiration into your Thanksgiving holiday.